guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show feet whitening pedicure. So now I will show how to do that. That will also hand and a feet, and it's making soft and supple. It's remove the tan from your feet and also to the dirt clean cells, which gives your feet amazing treatment. First you need some cotton and remover. So take some cotton remover to cotton and remove the nail paint from your nails. You just have to remove your nail polish with a cotton remover. Okay, you just have to remove your nail polish completely. So you don't need to go to any parlors and no any way to go to anywhere. You just simply do, and you don't need to get any creams from anywhere. You just have to take some cotton remover and you just remove your nail polish from your nails. After this, I will take some warm water in a bucket and it will add 2 spoons of lemon juice. So I will just smash in a 1 lemon in it. Completely you have to smash like this, and I will add 2 spoons of baking soda, 2 spoons of salt and 2 spoons of shampoo. Which one you like. So I'll just do like this completely. Now dip your feet in this water. Keep up to 10 minutes. This water will help to feet remove your legs clean. Dip completely up to 10 minutes. So this water will help you to clean your legs and remove your tan which one on your legs. So if you want to do to your hands also, you can do, it doesn't matter and not a problem. You have to dip up to 10 minutes. This will help you to clean your feet. Now you remove your legs from the bucket and you just have to clean with a towel. Now step 2. First take 1 cup. Take 2 spoons of baking soda, half lemon in it. You just do it thoroughly. Now take a toothbrush, dip into this mixture, and then you have to take some toothbrush, keep it to your legs. You have to rub to your legs like this. You have to clean your nails properly with it. Apply wherever you have the death cream. I will apply to my heels. This will help to moisturize and dead skin in my heels. Wherever you have the dead cream, you just take that cream to your legs. You have to just do this properly like this, how I am doing. After that, after scrubbing this, you just have to clean it with the water and you just have to wash your legs. After that, apply any cream to your nails. You can take any cream. You have to take thick cream and apply to your nails. You don't need to go to any parlor. I'm going to do to my next leg. You have to massage like this very thickly. And you have to massage up to 2 to 3 minutes like this. So after applying this cream, then you have to dip again into this same water. So dip deeply to your legs and put it over 5 minutes into this bucket. It will help to remove your dirty squirrels. You will just remove your legs from the bucket and see the differences, guys. how cleaning and how soft my legs. After that, take a towel and clean your legs. So after cleaning your legs, remove your dirt screen, remove your exactly in the way of me. So now take the cuticle remover. You just have to remove your dirt screen from your nails. Simply you have to remove like this, how I am removing. Now after this, after removing your dirty skins, then you have to take curd and how you spread the cream, you have to spread like this also curd completely, and don't give any gaps to your legs. You have to just spread it your complete legs wherever you have a dark skins. It will remove very carefully to your dirt screen. No need to fear from this curd, and you can do it very easily at your home. So I am just applying to my feet also. Now step 3, feet whitening pack, and also it is a very beneficial to remove your suntan. Curd also make your skin very soft and supple. Keep it for 10-15 minutes and then wash your legs like this in the same water, which one you do cleaning before. Now you have to just clean it your legs like this, how I am doing. See the differences, guys. Now in the end, I will apply this Vaseline or any thick cream. I am just applying little bit of Vaseline to your legs, and you just have to massage like this. And it is very beneficial to your tracks. You have to massage like this around your feet. With this, not have any problems or not have any side effects. See guys, see the differences, how my legs are soft and smooth and supple. Okay. Now you can apply the nail paint to your legs the way of me. See how my legs is shining smoothly and supple. After finishing this, you can apply the nail polish on it very smoothly and very softly. And see the differences, guys, very effective and simple to do it at the home. With this, will not get any effective. This is a very beautiful pedicure to do at home. After seeing this video, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like, share and with your friend. Bye bye.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.